In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Windows PC to your iPhone using a USB cable. First, we need an app on your computer. On your Windows PC laptop, click the Start button, then search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now in the search bar, type Apple devices. Now you should see an app called Apple Devices. Click on this software right here. This is Apple's official software, so it's totally fine. So no tension, just follow along. Now click Get to start the download. Now wait until it's fully finished installing. Now you also need one app on the iPhone. So on your iPhone, open the App Store. Now tap Search. Now type Google Chrome. Now download and install this Chrome browser. And Chrome is not the only option, but I'm using it because it creates a folder on your iPhone that makes transferring files really simple. And once Chrome is installed on your iPhone, you can just open it once and then close it. Now grab your USB cable and plug your iPhone into your computer or laptop. If this is your first time connecting, your iPhone may pop up a message saying trust this computer. So tap trust and then enter your iPhone passcode. If it asks, give it a few seconds and it should detect your iPhone automatically. When you see your iPhone name on the screen, click on it. Now look on the left side and find the option called Files. Click on Files. Here you will see a list of apps that can receive files from your PC. Look for Chrome and click on it. Now you'll see an option that says Add File. Now click Add File and your file explorer will open. Now just select the files you wanna transfer. For example, I am selecting 3 pictures. After selecting your files, then click Open. Now you'll see those files added in the list. Now click Sync at the bottom. And that's it. The files are now copied to your iPhone. Now let's find those files on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, open the Files app. At the bottom, tap Browse. Now tap on My iPhone. Now find out the folder called Chrome, open it and you'll see your transferred files right there and we are done. So that's the easiest way to transfer files from a Windows PC to an iPhone using a USB cable. No internet needed, no complicated steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.